Today's video is about food allergy, its possible causes, common signs and symptoms, and how holistic remedies can help. Avoid self-medication, even with natural remedies, as they are not always safe, especially in chronic or serious health disorders. Always seek professional advice. Read the disclaimer, and if you are interested in such health-related informative content, please make sure to follow our YouTube channel, subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon. Allergy is one of the most common health problems. There are two basic types of allergies that are inhalant and food allergies. Children are more susceptible. Studies show that breastfeeding reduces the frequency and severity of allergies in children as compared to bottle-fed babies. A food allergy is an abnormal immune reaction caused by the ingestion of certain foods, mostly proteins or food additives. Food intolerance or sensitivities are delayed-type allergies, that is, merely difficulty digesting certain foods and do not actually involve the immune system. A list of some common food offenders. Most dairy products, including ice cream, chocolate, cheese, yogurt, and especially cow's milk. Protein intolerance is thought to be the most common childhood allergy, as they tend to produce mucus, and excess mucus indicates an allergic response that distracts the immune system. Certain other foods increase inflammation within the body, weaken the immune system, and lead to digestive issues. Eggs, nuts, and peanuts in particular. Fish, especially shellfish. Packaged foods. Hydrogenated oils. Corns. Artificial flavorings, coloring or colorings. Grains, as they contain gluten, i.e. wheat, rye, oats, and barley, etc. Soy products. Citrus fruits, orange, lemon, grapefruit. Yeast, all forms of brewer's yeast, yeast-based spreads and fermented foods, and tomatoes, capsicums, onions, garlic, and potatoes, etc. Various drugs or medicines. Allergies. All drugs do not give any reactions, but some may react to certain people at various levels as per their intensity. The most common drugs are antibiotics, such as penicillin, aspirin, and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory medications, such as ibuprofen, anticonvulsants, monoclonal antibody therapy, and chemotherapy drugs. Most common signs and symptoms of food allergy include digestive or gastrointestinal problems such as constipation, diarrhea, gas, cramping, bloating, and/or vomiting, feeling of sickness and stomach cramps, tingling or itchy sensation in the mouth, swelling of the tongue, lips, eyes, and/or face, wheezing and breathing difficulty, loss of consciousness, irritability and headache, eczematous or hives like skin rashes, dry, cracked, or red skin, itchy eyes and skin, anxiety, fatigue, and thrush, etc. Food allergy versus food intolerance in nutshell. Allergy symptoms occur rapidly after contact, usually within 2 hours, while food sensitivity or intolerance symptoms can occur up to 48 hours after ingestion. Allergy symptoms can be serious and even life-threatening in rare cases. Whilst food intolerance may be uncomfortable or annoying, but it does not have the potential to be serious. An allergy can cause an immune system reaction that affects numerous organs in the body. But food intolerance is generally less serious and often limited to digestive problems. If you suffer from an intolerance, basically you can't break down certain foods. Most common signs and symptoms of chronic food intolerance: fatigue, fogginess, asthma, autism, rheumatoid arthritis, vaginal yeast infections, canker sores, ear infections, eczema/psoriasis, irritable bowel syndrome, migraine headaches, chronic sinus infections, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's and celiac disease, attention deficit disorder, ADHD, etc. Common causes of food intolerance include absence of an enzyme needed to fully digest a food. Lactose intolerance is a common example. Irritable bowel syndrome, sensitivity to food additives, recurring stress or psychological factors, Sometimes the mere thought of a food may make you sick. Celiac disease, this chronic digestive condition, is triggered by eating gluten, a protein found in wheat and other grains. Prevention and helpful tips to avoid further deterioration. Foods that we crave or eat on a daily basis can be the main offenders for allergies. When a substance is suspected to be the primary culprit of an allergic reaction, we must need to identify that and avoid eating. Avoid sugar, sodas, sweetened juices, etc., as they damage the immune system. Avoid alcohol, coffee, deep-fried, fatty, cold, or raw foods. Avoid stress, negative emotions, and exhaustion, as they weaken the immune system too. Get plenty of sleep and relaxation. Sunbathing for 20 to 30 minutes a day can be helpful to stimulate skin immunity and inhibit bacterial activity. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. This will help to thin secretions, making them easier to clear. Fasting is one of the oldest methods to eliminate all possible food allergens and allowing the body a period of cleansing. During fasting, only use distilled or spring water, vegetables and fruit juices. Herbal supplements and home remedies for food allergy. Make sure to avoid any ingredient you are allergic to, discussed in this video. For skin rashes, apply olive or coconut oils on the affected area. Being rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, they promote healing and skin renewal. Regular application of aloe vera promotes healing and reduces the redness and itching of the skin rashes. Peppermintea. Steep 1 tablespoon of dried peppermint leaves in 1 cup of boiling water for 5 minutes. Then strain it and allow it to cool. Add 1 teaspoon of honey before drinking it. You can enjoy 2 to 3 cups of this tea daily until you get rid of your symptoms completely. Top essential oils for food allergies. Always dilute in a base oil like olive oil, etc., and apply externally. Use of certain essential oils can be a valuable addition to non-medicinal way of boosting your immune system and prevent from allergic reactions. Chamomile, perhaps one of the most soothing, calming, and balancing oils for physical as well as mental irritation. Known for its reduction of histamine-related reactions, it is excellent for supporting with problems such as hay fever, asthma, and eczema. Basil, another great oil with an affinity for the respiratory system. This oil also helps with digestive inflammation and is well known for any head symptoms. Lemongrass, wonderful for the immune system, is also a tonic for the nervous system for those who are always stressed. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones that can make allergic reactions worse. And lastly, sandalwood is soothing and balancing and generally calming. It is particularly good for skin and respiratory issues. Homeopathic approach for food allergies. Homeopathy, one of the safest holistic system of medicines that offers a unique, personalized treatment and has the potential to reverse a medical disorder. Consult a qualified homeopath for a proper assessment and take tailor-made remedies as per your causative factors, modalities, and peculiar signs and symptoms, etc. Here are top 6 homeopathic remedies for food allergies. Arsenic album is used for allergy from cold drinks, fruits, rotten foods that may cause stuffiness and copious watery nasal discharge, burning sensation in the eyes, nose, and throat. Natrum More is prescribed for wheat, milk, cheese, acidic foods, and bread that may lead to sneezing, shivering, watery nasal discharge, headache that aggravates in the sun. Asticus, from all types of foods and liver disorders that cause urticaria or hives-like symptoms. Pulsatilla is indicated for baked and mixed foods allergies. Autumn crud for sour foods, vinegar, pickles, etc. And finally, Apis mellifica for allergic skin reactions after certain foods and pollen, dust, or sun exposure. Thanks for watching. Always seek medical help and advice from your GP or health provider. Or contact our Holistic Health Clinic in Birmingham, UK for more specific, tailor-made complementary remedies as per your peculiar signs, symptoms, and causative factors. Finally, avoid self-medications even with natural or herbal medicines as they are not always safe. Bye for now and talk to you soon in another video.